Chances are, if you're experiencing digestive issues, what you're actually experiencing could be stress. In this video, I'm going to teach you how emotional stress and stomach problems are connected.
Hi, I'm Wendy Frazier. To get the best tips for better gut health, hit that subscribe button and smash that bell so you can be notified every single time I upload a new video. Stick around to the end where you're going to be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. I've experienced digestive issues for most of my life. I've tried everything: cleanses, supplements, elimination diets, meditation, visualization, you name it, I've tried it. Just over 10 years ago, I discovered some baseline behaviors and supplements that actually work. I stopped buying everything that sounded good on Amazon reviews and focused on a specific lifestyle and a few supplements. And it worked. And I'm here to help you shorten your learning curve so that you can stop endlessly researching and finally settle down with a game plan that works. Stick around to the end where you'll be able to download my free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. You can also find me on Instagram at Wendy Loves Oils, where I share some fun tutorials on natural living.
First up, you have to know the culprit in all things related to stress is cortisol. Here are 4 ways that cortisol messes things up in your gut. Imagine your digestive system as a bustling town filled with all kinds of residents and lots of cool stuff going on. The first way that cortisol causes trouble is in the form of increased stomach acid production. When stress strikes, cortisol acts like an out-of-control DJ, cranking up the volume on stomach acid production. Suddenly, your stomach turns into a dance party that has gone completely out of control. In this case, with acid levels pumping way higher than usual. And while I love a good dance party and I really like loud music, too much stomach acid can cause unwelcome guests to come, like heartburn, acid reflux, and indigestion. Basically, major party crashers. The second is altered gut motility. In this case, I want you to think of cortisol as the conductor of the transportation system in your digestive town. It can either become a speed raiser, causing food to zoom through your system, resulting in frantic trips to the bathroom for some folks, or it can become a slowpoke, causing everything to get stuck in a traffic jam, leading to constipation and bloating for others. The third red flag is when cortisol acts like a fire-breathing dragon, occasionally spewing out fiery inflammation in your intestines. And while cortisol does have some anti-inflammatory abilities, being in a chronic state of stress and excessive cortisol levels can make that dragon go out of control, essentially setting everything on fire, leaving you with trouble like irritable bowel syndrome or inflammatory bowel disease. And finally, think of cortisol like a graffiti artist, except instead of a spray can as a tool of choice, it's a knife, and instead of creating art, it just pokes holes and destroys. So it's actually not like a graffiti artist at all. More like a straight up bad guy, sneaking around poking holes in the protective layers of your gut. Suddenly, that lining of your gut, which I like to think of like fencing, it's a protective layer that usually keeps harmful substances out, becomes a bit leaky, like a broken down fence. Undigested food particles, toxins, and unwelcome guests can now slip through, causing a commotion and triggering all sorts of immune responses, leading to digestive discomfort and other symptoms like fatigue and joint pain. So there you have it. 4 ways that cortisol really messes things up in your gut, or in other words, the connection between emotional stress and stomach problems. So what to do next? Check out my next video, which is solutions for emotional stress and stomach problems, where I show you my 4 favorite tools to help manage stress.
Remember that healing takes time. The best changes are the ones that you can stick to, so start with small steps that you can live with. That's the power of rituals. That's the power of habits for a healthy life. If you want a guide on your path to get a better gut, book a discovery call with me. As a functional nutrition coach, I can help you create a wellness plan that is simple, fits your lifestyle, and gets you real results. If you like this video about surprising gut health supplements, I know you're going to love my video, Gut Bacteria and Mental Health, where I share the unique connection between the gut and the brain. Make sure to watch that video next. As promised, I'll share with you how to download your free guide to the best supplements for gut health and bloating. Just click the link below in the description and that will lead you to your free download.